In today's class, we will discuss the topics of recreation, leisure, and dance activities. Recreation can be defined as the active participation in sporting activities during one's leisure time, fostering physical, mental, emotional, and social development. Aims and objectives of recreation. 1. Relaxation after work. To provide a means of unwinding and rejuvenating after the demands of work. 2. Elimination of boredom and tension. To alleviate boredom and reduce stress, promoting a healthier mental state. 3. Skill development. To facilitate the acquisition and enhancement of various skills through recreational activities. 4. Physical fitness. To contribute to the development and maintenance of physical well-being. 5. Correction of postural defects. To address and rectify issues related to posture through suitable recreational exercises. 6. Crime and antisocial behavior reduction. To serve as a positive outlet, potentially reducing crime and antisocial behaviors in the community. 7. Interchange of daily activities. To introduce variety into daily routines, preventing monotony and fostering a balanced lifestyle. 8. Fun and enjoyment. To offer opportunities for leisure that are inherently enjoyable and fulfilling. Nature and scope of recreation. The term recreation encompasses a diverse range of activities, broadly classified into A. Indoor recreational activities. 1. Playing music. 2. Drawing and painting. 3. Sewing. 4. Watching television. 5. Reading or writing for pleasure. 6. Dancing. 7. Playing cards. 8. Singing. B. Outdoor recreational activities. 1. Mountaineering. 2. Camping. 3. Picnicking. 4. Canoeing. 5. Gardening. 6. Hiking. Leisure. Leisure is simply defined as free time or hours available for personal enjoyment and relaxation. Dance. Dance is the art of moving one's body in a manner that aligns with the rhythm and style of the music being played, providing a creative and expressive outlet for individuals. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.